So my game room is empty. Now this is mostly because I had to move apartments. But through my moving apartments, I quickly realized that the amount of games that I had was way too much. It was too time consuming to box up. A lot of stuff I had was delicate and it was really time consuming to bubble wrap everything. I have boxes that are quite big that were console boxes. Those were just hard to package in general. And the whole thing made me really question why my game collection is as big as it is. Currently, I have about 700 games in the collection, which I've been trying to cut down, but somehow I'm always accumulating more and more. But it gets to the point where how many games is too much, and how many of these games am I really playing? So I've decided once again to downsize my game collection, and I can go through a variety of ways of doing so. If you're interested in anything I might have in my collection, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to be doing yard sales and eBay and all that kind of stuff, looking for trades. But I just wanted to make this video to show everybody that, especially people with huge game collections, it can be very stressful to move everything. And especially as we go more and more to a digital age, I've just been thinking a lot about the value that I'm getting from having a large video game collection and whether this value means anything to me anymore. Maybe a previous Shnickerman had some value for having a lot of games in his collection, but as I grow older, I'm finding more reason to keep the games that I really enjoy and get rid of anything else that I don't think I'll ever really play. So let me know your thoughts, especially if you've ever had a large video game collection and have moved it. Put some tips in the comments because frankly, I haven't finished moving everything yet, and I can imagine in a few years I may have to move again. But yeah, I don't have a game room anymore. This is one section of a guest bedroom that's going to have some of my games displayed, and everything else is going to be sold or put into storage, which is kind of really sad if you think about it, but that shows how much I have versus what I could really display or play.